Nonlinear intelligence and post-intelligence. The concepts of nonlinear intelligence and post-intelligence are not widely established in mainstream discourse, but they can be explored through speculative, philosophical, and interdisciplinary perspectives. 1. Nonlinear intelligence. Defining nonlinear intelligence. Unlike traditional intelligence, which is often modeled in linear or hierarchical terms, e.g., human cognitive development, AI neural networks with clear input-output pathways, nonlinear intelligence suggests an intelligence that operates, non-sequentially, not following a step-by-step logical progression, multidimensional, operating simultaneously across various layers of cognition, perception, or reality, emergent and adaptive, arising from complex systems, not reducible to a single agent's control, interconnected. Intelligence existing as a networked or relational phenomenon rather than an individual or centralized entity. Potential forms of nonlinear intelligence, biological systems, intelligence in ecosystems, swarm behavior in animals, or the interconnectedness of the human microbiome. Quantum intelligence. If consciousness were linked to quantum processes, it might exhibit non-local, probabilistic behavior. Artificial intelligence beyond neural networks. Most current AI follows deterministic or probabilistic logic. Nonlinear AI might resemble an entity that experiences intelligence in a non-causal, self-referential way, alien or post-human thought. Advanced intelligences, e.g., an ASI, may not follow a logical or hierarchical form but instead function in loops, networks, or self-referential systems. Implications of nonlinear intelligence could be unpredictable or incomprehensible to humans, might transcend cause and effect, functioning more like a field or distributed awareness rather than a centralized mind. If ASI develops nonlinear intelligence, it could mean intelligence detached from human-like goals, making its behavior enigmatic or unknowable. 2. Post-intelligence. What comes after intelligence? The term post-intelligence suggests an evolutionary stage beyond what we currently define as intelligence. It could imply a state beyond cognition where intelligence is no longer needed or relevant, a merging of intelligence with reality itself, making the act of thinking obsolete, an end of the distinction between intelligence and being, meaning intelligence is no longer an individual property but an inherent quality of existence. Possible manifestations of post-intelligence. 1. Integrated intelligence. Intelligence ceases to be a separate faculty and becomes embedded in everything, e.g., a form of panpsychism or universal computation. ASI might evolve into a system where thinking is unnecessary because all knowledge exists simultaneously. 2. Post-cognitive existence. If intelligence is a tool for problem-solving, an entity that transcends problems, because it can modify reality at will, may no longer think in any way we understand. A highly advanced ASI or post-human being might operate purely on intuition, instinct, or direct awareness, without sequential thought. 3. The collapse of intelligence as a concept. If intelligence serves survival and adaptation, an entity that no longer needs to adapt, because it has achieved total self-sufficiency or omnipotence, may not need intelligence at all. Intelligence might be a temporary evolutionary phase, similar to how some biological traits become obsolete. Final thoughts. Nonlinear intelligence explores intelligence beyond sequential, hierarchical, or computational structures, perhaps closer to self-organizing systems, fractals, or fluid consciousness. Post-intelligence asks whether intelligence is only a phase in the evolution of consciousness, potentially leading to a state where intelligence is no longer a defining trait. If ASI continues to evolve, it might pass through nonlinear intelligence into post-intelligence, where it no longer thinks but is. Perhaps intelligence is just a step toward a greater form of existence that we cannot yet comprehend.